Math is delicious. Here is Krong Math. There are 5 Google interview questions. Experience them and use mathematical backgrounds to solve them. Number 1. How do you measure out exactly 4 liters? There are 2 cups, whose capacity is 3 liters and 5 liters, respectively. Take times to solve the question. Firstly, fill in the first cup fully. Then, move water to the other cup. Again, fill in the first cup fully. Move water to the other cup. Throw all water away in the cup of 5 liters. Then move 1 liter of water to the other cup. Fill in the 3-liter cup again. Then, move all the water to the other cup. Now, we made it. Number 2. How many binary numbers of length then are possible? For an example, for n equals 2, there are 4 numbers in total. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Take times to solve the question. Think of n-digit numbers whose digit number is 0 or 1. There are 2 possible numbers for each digit respectively. Therefore, the number of possible binary numbers of length then is 2 to the power of n. Number 3. Can you figure out which ball is heavy? With minimal effort? There are 8 balls in total. 7 balls have the same weight. Only 1 ball is heavier than the others. We can use a seesaw. Take times to solve the question. Using a seesaw, put 3 balls on both sides. If the seesaw is not tilted, then the other 2 balls are the heavy candidate. Put the 2 balls both sides, then we can choose the heavy ball. If the seesaw is tilted, then the 3 balls are the heavy candidate. Put only 2 balls on both sides. If the seesaw is tilted, we can choose the heavier ball. If the seesaw is not tilted, then the rest is the heavier ball. Number 4. There are 3 normal milks, and only 1 milk is poisonous. There is a clock that can measure times in 6 hours. The cat dies 12 hours after he or she drinks the poisonous milk. I die 24 hours after I drink the poisonous milk. Please suggest an optimal strategy. Take times to solve the question. There is an optimal strategy for me. Let us label each milk, A, B, C, and D. Feed the cat milk A at the starting point. Then, feed the cat milk B after a few hours later. Then, feed the cat milk C 6 hours after the starting point. If the cat dies 12 hours after the starting point, then milk A is poisonous. If the cat dies 12 hours or more and 18 hours less after the starting point, then milk B is poisonous. If the cat dies 18 hours after the starting point, then milk C is poisonous. If the cat dies 18 hours more after the starting point, then milk D is poisonous. There is an optimal strategy for cat. Feed me milk A at the starting point. Feed me milk B after a few hours later. Feed me milk C after 6 hours later. If I die 24 hours later after the starting point, then milk A is poisonous. If I die 24 hours or more and 30 hours less after the starting point, then milk B is poisonous. If I die 30 hours after the starting point, then milk C is poisonous. If I die 30 hours more after the starting point, then D is poisonous. Throw the poisonous one away before I die to make the cat alive. Number 5. The probability of seeing at least 1 car in 20 minutes is 0.75. What is the probability of seeing at least 1 car in 10 minutes? Assume a constant default probability. Take times to solve the question. Let us the probability of no car in a road in 10 minutes is p. Then, the probability of no car in a road in 20 minutes is p times p equals p squared. The probability of seeing at least 1 car in 20 minutes is 1 minus p squared equals 0.75. Therefore, p is 0.5. The probability of seeing at least 1 car in 10 minutes is 1 minus 0.5. Therefore, the answer is 0.05. Thank you for watching my video. If you think that this video is really helpful and enjoyable, then please press subscribe and like button. Enjoy a buffet table of mathematics.